Devlog. I'm shifting focus away from the untitled Sokoban game this week to allow that one to rest a little bit. Took that free time to do some code study with Go, which is outside the scope of this video, and to try and build some Super Nintendo era JRPG style systems. I wanted to see how quickly I could get some pieces done. So here's where I ended up after a week. I've got my main menu and my main screen here. I went out of my way to kind of make sure that I wasn't reusing assets from other things and either reusing my own content or creating my own content. This menu right now only does the play and quit, but it's there, it's hooked up to a controller, everything looks good, so we go in and we play. This will drop us into the main scene, which is right now just kind of like a town area. I've got a very simple tile map going. These are impassable, so neither myself or any of the NPCs can go through here. And then I've got the NPCs that can either roam or be static, and they've got dialogue. So in this case, for this person, they've got dialogue that you get random dialogue from them. So they've got three things. They've got that, they've got this, and they've got that. And then what it'll do is, rather than going through them in the same order again, it will shuffle it so you get them in a different order. So this was the second one last time, this was the third, and this was the first. Now if we do it again, we'll get others. This guy over here has multi-part dialogue, so I don't have to talk to him multiple times. It just gives me the same thing, and I iterate through it. So that's just another piece of going through that process of talking to somebody. And then this guy here's got just his one line. Guy inside's completely unreliable. We can also move between maps, interiors, exteriors, that kind of thing. So we come in here, we've got another static person. He's got a multi-part text. Doesn't actually have anything to give to us. And what this will do is, this is actually part of an event flagging system. So now that I've spoken to him, it's set a flag, and when I talk to this guy, I'm going to get something different from him. Right? Told you so. At the same time, this guy's also flagged, so when I talk to him, oh, you should give me, whoa, that's a bug. That should be doing that. It did not do that. Wow, okay, I've got a bug to fix there. Neat. Okay, moving forward. We can go back outside. And that's functionally it. Went through and kind of drew all this stuff with the exception of my character sprite here. This is all brand new stuff just for this, just to get it kind of taken care of and done. Beyond that, I'm not feeling super positive about the Sokoban right now. I built out systems for it to see if it was fun to play, and it's all right. It's not lighting anything on fire for me. I think I would need to build out at least a few more systems to really understand what that game could be. And I'm not super excited about it right now. I'm going to take another week away from it while I'm really strongly motivated to keep pushing on this and seeing how many more systems I can kind of implement for this JRPG style game. I'd like to see how much further I could get with an additional week. If you want to support my work, I've got a page up on Ko-fi. I also have this 3x3 sticker available for purchase via my Ko-fi page. Links are in the description. Comment on this if there's anything that you'd like to see me cover in more detail as part of future devlogs or as standalone videos. Until next week.